Baba, Lisel, ay, Ile, huwag kayong magtubig dyan. Guys,
Be super nice today, okay?
Yeah.
Be nice to them. Okay, good job. So, kami na nga this. Then go to Roger, okay? And what's the gift? Okay?
Can I see?
Hi guys, this is my sixth birthday today. Yeah. We got K-Bob and more stuff and things like that. Bye. See ya. Hi guys. So it's my birthday today. I'm turning 13. Yeah. And we got a lot of food here. We got stuff to do. And see you in the next video. So guys, so this is where we get the food.
Pato lang isa kaya kinitad sa kaya eh. Nako mo lang.
Can you guys please move? I promise you I'm gonna do this.
Okay na, nakalang sa ko lang. Para lang.
I promise you that's a good idea.
Kami sa laran nito.
You guys, I switched it.
Baba.
I'm like I'm almost like a teenager now. Yeah, happy birthday to actually no. You mean happy teenager day to me? Even though it's teenager day and we're even as that day. Anyways, I can eat soda. I'm eating this.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Are you one?
Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Are you six?
Oh yeah! Happy birthday! Kuya Baste. Oh wow! What's that?
We got the same.
Oh wow!
I got this one.
Okay, sit down, sit down.
Can I go now? Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Break.
Break. Sit down ka. Break. What's inside?
Yes, go. Let's go. Go.
That is cake, huh? You can eat it. Yeah.
What's inside?
It's candy.
Ay, grabe. Oh, wow. Okay.
Hi, Mr. Lee.
Mahulog mo na ni. Baka mahulog. Eh, ano mo sa libot?
Can you go down?
Yeah, Daddy.
Magdadamot ba? Oo, oh, wala ka ito. Mag-opos na. Kes, saan ang ading ko kamo baba? Wala madam baba. Bali lawan ka. Oo, kamay to ka. Kamay to ka, takyo. Kawaran to ka, takyo. Hindi na ako, pupunta si kuya. Yeah.
This I don't want to do that because my hands are dirty. Let's just do it.
Parayat, ano yan? Nalubat ala. Mga pumat sa charger ah. Patang kami ano, te maximum. Saba.
I don't want candy.
Oh, sige. Okay, bas-bas muna. Oh,
Dito ako, Dito.
it's okay.
Mom, on my birthday, can we have a piñata too?
Ba?
Do you need help?
Wait lang. Oh, there. Wait.
Ate, oh.
Okay, sila siya. Wait. Okay, then. Alis mo na dyan. Sirain mo na. Okay, go. Okay, alis.
Ay, sorry lang.
Basta sa iyo, ha? Basta, that's your bag, oh. The blue one. Nasaan na yun? The blue bag.
Hindi, wag sige ka, Louie. Si Louie.
Kaya basta yung ba, ayun, bag.
It's from
Sa butterfly dilaw.
okay, open na. From Tita Kuya Baste, ate. Yeah. Oh, wow! Wow, I love it. Ang daming wow, kikay. Oh, wow. What's in there?
Kendra's gift.
Ay, ito na. Oh, wow. Thank you. Open mo na, Lisha. Doon, oh. Doon. Go. There. What's in there? Oh, wow. Can I sing? Wow.
Like it, anak?
Oh, wow. Make up. Oh, wow.
Oh my God!
Mahilig mag-make up. Wow, very nice. Wow. Wow. Thank you, Tita. Tita Jora. Yeah. You like it? No, that's for adding. No, Maxim. This one is from Kendra. This one is from Kendra.
This is from
Can I see? Oh, wow. Thank you to Kendra.
I want to see the lipstick.
Lambang ko kalutan yung muntik.
Something good. Get me something else. I'll trade you this. No.
No, that's for Sahaba. Maxim.
I'll give you one. I'll give you candy. I'll give you.
Yeah.
I'll give you green.
Maxim, that's her gift. It's not your gift.
I'll give you green. I'll give you.
It's okay. On your birthday also.
No, I don't want lollipop. I don't want lollipop.
Yeah.
I'll give you green.
I'll give you in your birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'll give you
Almost
green.
there.
I'll give you green.
I'll give it to you. Ilalagay siya ng bag.
Hey, wait, stay there, okay? It's a hot mug. Can I borrow scissors? I need it. Please like and subscribe. Our goal is 100 likes today.
Bye.
Okay, I'll change this and this.